Hello folks, I'm going to replace a cracked LCD screen on this Acer Aspire 5742Z. First we're going to need the knife, the Phillips screwdriver, and the laptop. So let's get started. First we're going to disconnect any power source from this laptop. That includes the AC adapter. So disconnect the AC adapter and the battery. But to remove the battery, you're going to have to unlock the release latch there. So you know when it's unlocked when you see the unlock logo there. So we can go ahead and release the battery and make sure we don't shock ourselves potentially during the process of replacing the LCD screen. What we're going to do now is unscrew two screws in the bottom of the LCD screen. So we're going to take our knife and remove the wedges first. Just remove the wedges so we can expose the screws. Just make sure that you can get that out first, of course. So once you have that wedge taken out, you'll go ahead and expose that screw. Then we can go ahead and unscrew the screw with the Phillips screwdriver. Not only on the right side, the bottom right side of the screen, but also on the left side as well. Make sure those two screws are unscrewed before you take out the brackets that's around the LCD screen. So we're going to go ahead and take that out to just go ahead and remove the brackets. It feels like it's going to break, but it's not. It's not going to break. It's just separating from the LCD screen. And just release the brackets around the screen. Make sure you can take it out completely. All right. But next, there's 3 screws on the right side of the LCD screen and on the left side. There's 3 screws that you have to take out. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew those. So that's one of the screws. There's one at the bottom, one at the top. Okay, so once you unscrew those 3 screws on either side of the screen, you can go ahead and separate the laptop, but be careful first. There is a webcam cable that's connected to the laptop, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. After that, we go ahead and just lay the LCD screen on the keyboard, and we can go ahead and disconnect or remove the rest of the cables here. First one is that's the webcam cable, the gray one right there. Alright, so with this cable, just be careful with removing the sticker there. You don't want to rip the cable out of the board. So just make sure it's can take out the sticker carefully, of course. Alright, and once you have the sticker removed, just slowly separate the cable out of the board there, out of the screen. And as for the webcam cable, It's pretty much I just take out the cable. It's just stuck there. But you can still separate it from the screen, like so. All right. Then you can just remove the LCD screen altogether. Now we're going to take our replacement LCD screen, place the anti-static bag on the keyboard, make sure everything doesn't look defective on your replacement LCD screen. And from here, we can go ahead and connect the cables to the new LCD screen. And just to make sure, we can go ahead and connect the cable there. And then we'll go ahead and place a sticker on top. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. And stick the, go ahead and put the webcam cable back on the, not back on, but on the new LCD screen. It should stick right back on. So this one's pretty easy. Okay, next let's go ahead and just, I was going to go ahead and take out the film out of the LCD screen. But I'm going to go ahead and place the LCD screen on the laptop. But of course, once you place the LCD screen back, just go ahead and connect the webcam cable back in it. And for the 3 screws that you took out on either side, just go ahead and screw those back on. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and test out the LCD screen. I plugged in the AC adapter. I didn't plug in the battery yet, so I just plugged in the AC adapter first. Make sure the screen's working fine. As you can see, no cracks. Everything looks perfect here so far. So far I'm just making sure the LCD screen is working fine. Alright, so I booted into Windows. Everything looks fine. So I'll go ahead and put the brackets back on. Make sure it's all locked in on all around the LCD screen. Make sure it's locked in tight. Okay. After that, let's go ahead and screw the back the screws back in. All right, and I went ahead and put the wedges back, but I got the replacement LCD screen from screencountry.com. The shipping's really fast, and the LCD screen was in good shape. Thanks very much.